Hi everyone, today I'm start here functions here. Okay, so first of all here what is a function? Let a comma b non-empty sets. Let a comma b non-empty sets. Then a function. So what is the other name here? Function other name mapping here. A to b. So a to b means the function a to b is an assignment of exactly one element f of x belongs to P to each element X belongs to capital A. Okay, that is nothing but the function here. Okay. So what is the graphical representation of function here? See here, let A comma B both are a non-empty sets. So here A comma B both are non-empty sets. Function f A to B. Function f A to B. Okay, so I represented a graph here. So here two elements here, 1 to so C comma D. Therefore, 1 to D or 2 to C. Okay, that is the graph. Here, so represented here, the bar is a sorry, x axis and y axis here. Here graph here converted here graph. Here, what are the terminology of here the graphs here, so are functions here. So here, let a comma b, let a comma b both are here non-empty sets. The function f a to b means that f of a equivalent b. So where here always a belongs to capital A, b always a belongs to capital B. So here always here, so A is the domain of f, always A is the domain of f, or B is the codomain of f. Sometimes here A is the uh, pre-image, B is the image, or B always image and A is the pre-image. Reverse case here, domain, codomain. Here image and pre-image. Okay, that is the different terminology of here some functions here. Okay. So next one is multiple functions here. So f of comma g, two functions relation r to r. F of addition of here two functions here. So means here f of g means here f of plus g means f of x plus g of x. Sometimes a multiple of here. So here f into g of r to r means here f of x into g of x. Next one is the composition function here. So composition functions means here two different functions here. G A to B and F P to C. So finally here, so composite function here, what is the mentioning O. Therefore, F circle G means here always F circle G means here A to B, B to C means here. So finally here A to C. Okay. F circle G means the first finish here G function. Next, so find as B to C. A to B means A to C. Therefore, F circle G means A to C. Where F of G means A means F of G of A. Okay, that is a composition function here. So that is a GTA, and next one f of GTA means f of GTA. That is the composition one. A to B, B to C. So A to B means G and B to C means F. Finally f of G means so A to B, B to C. That is the next one, the types of functions here. Types of functions here: identity function, constant function. Next one is the onto function. Onto function means a subjunction. Next one is one to function means a one to one means that is a injunction. So last one is a bijunction here. Okay. First one is a identity function. Identity function means that is a mathematical denoted by is I of A. So let A be a non-empty set, capital A be a non-empty set, then a function f, so A to A such that f of A equivalent A is said to be identity function. See once again, let A be let capital A be a non-empty set, then a function f A to A such that f of a equivalent a is said to be identity function. In bracket here I of a. So other name here I of a. That is called a identity function. Okay. Here identity function here only same domain same range. So self nodes here. So 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5. That is the x-axis and the y-axis. Next one is a constant function. Let a comma b, a non-empty set, then a function f, a to b, then a function f a to b such that f of a equivalent c for every element of a belongs to a, where c is the fixed element of capital B is called constant functions. Here 1 to c, 2 to c, 3 to c. That is constant function. Next one is the onto function. So onto function always here subjunctive. Let a function f a to b is onto function or sometimes here subjunctive. So when here if every element of B has a different images in B, every element of B has a different images in B. Okay, that is nothing but here onto function. Next one is a one-to-one function. One-to-one function means injunction function. Let a comma b two non-empty sets, then a function f is one-to-one function when here if every different elements of a different elements of a have different images in b. Okay, so when if different elements of a have different images in b, it's nothing but a one-to-one function. Next one, bijunction function. A function f is a one-to-one and function, then f is called bijunction function. So always here bijunction means both here one-to-one function and function is possible. Then above function f is called bijunction function. Next one is a inverse function. Let a comma b two non-empty set, then a function f a to b. There exists an inverse of f written f inverse b to a, which is the unique function such that f inverse of f inverse f is always here identity function. Okay, that is nothing but here inverse function. Because here reverse case here. Okay, back to front here. The function f inverse is the inverse function of f. So b means f of a. Here a equivalent here f inverse b. Okay. So that is a inverse function. These are all different types of functions here.